When you have small children, it can be challenging to plan healthy meals that they will enjoy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken fingers. This popular dish is a kid favorite. Since this dish is baked, each serving has 100 fewer calories than fast food chicken tenders, which are deep fried. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to balance this dish with other food groups featured on the graphic MyPlate, so that you can make this into a complete balanced meal. This recipe is from the WIC cookbook, Let's Cook with Kids. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat a baking sheet with cooking spray and set aside. Next, cut 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into strips. To make these chicken fingers, we will use a classic 3-step breading technique. You will need 3 shallow dishes for this. In the first dish, add half a cup of whole wheat flour. In the second dish, add 2 beaten eggs. In the third dish, you will prepare your breadcrumb mixture by combining 1½ cups of plain breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if desired. Mix together. For each chicken strip, follow this breading technique. Dredge the chicken strip in flour, dip in egg, then coat with the breadcrumb mixture. Place the chicken fingers on your baking sheet. Bake for 30 minutes or until cooked through and golden brown. To make this into a complete meal, I'm going to follow MyPlate guidelines. First, since half my plate should be fruits and vegetables, I'll add some steamed broccoli and orange wedges. Grains should be 1/4 of my plate, so I'll add some whole wheat bread. Protein foods should be the other 1/4 of my plate, which is where my chicken fingers will go. Finally, the blue circle on the MyPlate graphic reminds me to include a serving of dairy, so I will complete my meal with a glass of 1% low-fat milk. Chicken fingers. They're easy, they're healthy, and most of all, they're delicious!